Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to go over um, the Make Editable button in Cinema 4D, which I like to say is the most important button in this program. So if you haven't done so already, please watch my basic navigation video where I get into some of the basics of Cinema 4D. And now this one is about the Make Editable button. So if I get a cube and I get my scale tool, which is right up here, and if I try to scale this, you'll notice that even though when I scale it on any of the axes here, you can see that this is always staying a cube. What if I wanted to stretch this cube up or down to make it longer or thinner? Well, I can't do that. So there's a button that you need to press and activate for this to happen, and that's the Make Editable button, and that is right over here. So while I'm selected on this shape, if I click the Make Editable button, now the next time, it doesn't look like anything happened, but the next time I try to hold down on one of the scaling nodes, you'll notice that I am able to scale. Just a warning, if you scale paper thin, you will not be able to bring it back to life. So you will have to undo, and that's just a Command or Control Z for you. There is an undo button right over here as well, but I would recommend using your quick commands. So that would be Command Z. And I can scale again. So you can see by activating this Make Editable button, we're able to stretch and rescale differently. You cannot undo that. So you want to make sure that you're ready for making things editable. You will not be able to undo this process. How do you scale something proportionally, though? Let's say I like this shape here, and I just need it to be larger. Well, I wouldn't want to do this, this, and this to try to guess it. I want to instead scale away from the gizmo. So anywhere away from the gizmo, you can see I can scale things proportionally. Now that's different in many other softwares where you would scale from the center. In this program, there is no center of that gizmo. So you need to scale away from the gizmo to be able to scale things proportionally. And that's all for this video, the Make Editable button. Stay tuned. I'm going to have some more coming up, but good luck and give it a try.